One, two, three.
Hey guys! So ngayon, tatalakayin naman natin ang patungkol sa positive impact ng modern technology with the consideration of traditional technology.
Without further ado, let's go!
Typewriters can only print letters, but printers can also print pictures or images. Typewriters are devices that don't work in a network, but printers are connected to computers, and the computers maybe are connected to other networks.
Modern technology has brought about several positive impacts, especially when considering its relationship with traditional technology. Let us know the transition of film cameras to digital cameras. Traditional film cameras were once widely used to capture and preserve moments. Many renowned photographers used film cameras to create iconic images, showcasing the artistic possibilities of the medium. It also produced unique aesthetic qualities such as graininess and color rendition that are still cherished by many photographers today. However, the introduction of digital cameras has revolutionized the field of photography. Digital cameras offers numerous advantages over their film counterparts. Firstly, they provide instant feedback, allowing photographers to review and retake shots immediately. These features eliminates the need for time-consuming film development and significantly reduces the cost associated with purchasing and processing film. Furthermore, digital cameras offer greater flexibility and creativity, with the ability to adjust settings, experiment with different exposures, and apply post-processing techniques. The ease of sharing digital photo online has also greatly facilitated the sharing and preservation of memories.
Let's explore the differences and similarities between a computer and a typewriter. Let's talk first about the computer. GCF Global states that computer can store, retrieve, and process data. With the help of this modern technology, you are able to easily get information, play games, watch movies, or listen to music, and interact with people, especially your family and friends. Before I continue, do you believe people still use typewriters today? Of course. The typewriter survives to this day. According to our research, maintaining traditional devices is one of the reasons why typewriters are still in use today. One may write letters, documents, lists, and notes on a typewriter. If you are unable to write out your private information by hand, a typewriter is an excellent option for saving your data. One way to compare a typewriter to a computer is that they are both devices used for information, input, and typing. Even though they both have significant issues, they are nonetheless useful tools that allows us to write some information.
Newer mobile phones are equipped with more powerful processors and GPUs, making them faster and more responsive. For additional, modern telephones have additional features like internet access, text messaging, email, camera, and many more. In considering the old mobile phone, they are very useful, especially in communicating, even its function is specific in terms of using. But still, it has biggest contribution for the newest and modern mobile phone that we are using.